My name is Curt, and I am the Safety and Training Coordinator here at Eikenhout. One of the most important parts of my job is to make sure that not only is our staff staying safe, but it's also to make sure that we as a company are staying compliant. There's a lot of regulations in this industry, being a motor vehicle carrier, that we have to follow. Because when we're going down the road, we're driving beside somebody's family. So non-compliance is not an option for us. I mean, there's a reason that we've been in business for 126 years, and it's not because we cut corners. Fleetio has really allowed us to stay compliant by not only keeping track of the DVIRs, but also making sure that our fleet is serviced on a regular basis. You know, I think of some of the guys doing their inspections in the morning and noticing that they have a flat tire, or even something simple like a marker light is burned out. And before Fleetio, they would have potentially just gotten in their truck and left. If they're doing their inspections properly, they're going to notice that issue and make the correction before they leave the yard, or at the very minimum, they're going to make a note of that in their inspection form. So if they do get pulled over, they can easily show the law enforcement officer that, yes, I'm aware that I have a marker light out. My dispatcher has received notification as well, and by the time I get back to the branch, he'll either have a bulb there for me to replace that marker light, or he'll have an appointment set up for me to get that fixed. We have really come to love the fact that we can have a customizable DVIR type of inspection, and we actually use one for job site safety. We require our drivers to inspect the property prior to bringing our crane truck or other heavy equipment onto the job site to make sure that we can evaluate, is it safe due to low-hanging power lines, or are there sprinkler heads on the way and we were told to go ahead and drive on the yard, in which case our SkyTrack would absolutely destroy that sprinkler head. Prior to joining up with Fleetio, any type of cost analysis that we wanted to do was done through an Excel spreadsheet. Since we've gone to Fleetio, we can get a report that gives us a lifetime cost for fuel and service, and we can easily compare different assets within our fleet. So if we're running two different Kenworths, similar model but different branches, if we see a spike or a drop in one of them versus the other, we can really try to figure out where the problem is. I can't imagine doing a cost comparison with our older assets without having all that information. To go from that to Fleetio, it's just no comparison. It's a pedal bike versus a Mustang GT 5.0. One of the things that's really impressed us was the fact that if we had any type of an issue or problem, we could get a person to talk to. Fleetio has really stepped up and been a partner with Eikenhout, and they continue to evolve. Oftentimes are introducing new features based on discussions that we've had. We can't service our customers without good vendor partnerships. You guys have been there to walk beside us the whole way. From onboarding to today, you guys have been a fantastic partner with us.